Christi Dea here, independent Norwex Consultant, and every now and then I have people write in to tell me what they really hate to clean. And somebody said, I really hate to clean my refrigerator. And I said, guess what? So do I. It's October, let's see, 7th, and I still have Easter eggs in my refrigerator. That's how long it's been since I've cleaned my refrigerator. So I've emptied out half of the stuff. It's all over here. And now I'm just going to go for it because I had a lot of produce up here that just went, nasty and bad. So we're just going to go ahead and use our damp Envirocloth. And also, I keep my refrigerator at 45 degrees. So a lot of this liquidy stuff becomes gelatinous and stuck. Particularly if it had any kind of fat in it. And this, whatever this was back here, did have fat in it. So, blah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold over to a cleanish side. I'm going to get out my cleaning paste, which I use on really, really tough jobs. And cleaning paste is hard like a rock, but you just dab a little bit onto your damp Envirocloth, and it gives you just that extra scrubbing energy that you need because it's got marble flour in it, which I think is literally marble ground down to flour. So it gives you a little scrubbing action, but it's so fine that it will not scratch your glass. So there you go. That's getting that. I actually need a little bit more for that corner, that edge piece, because that's the part that really irritates, right? It's getting into that. Ooh, that section. And I can see why people don't do this. I can see why I don't do this. It's a hassle. Oh, but why am I stretching out? I can pull it out a little bit. I forget. That's how infrequently I clean this thing. I forget all the features of my refrigerator. Now look back there. I've gotten a lot of this stuff. But check out that little back lip. It had liquid things that fell into it. Gone! In one swipe. There we go. Now what about my crumbs? Oh yes, there's all sorts of crumbs and things up here. How about like this, people? Alright, is it that easy to do yours? What never was that easy to do mine, because it didn't pick up anything. I would always just push it around and then have to sort of grab it. But the Envirocloth actually picks it up. So there we go. Oh, here's a little liquid. What is that? Hard liquid. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so there you have it. All those little weird places. Now this is something difficult. These ridges down here actually had fat that melted down here. I'm not sure if it was fat or if it was butter, but I scraped it off with this spoon. Now I'm just going to get the remnants of it with my Envirocloth. See all that? It's picking it right up. You do have to get it down to where it's not an inch thick, which I did have to do with the spoon, but it comes right up, even with my relatively foolish Envirocloth now. So there we go. That, I gotta find a clean spot, is cleaning your filthy refrigerator after several months. So when Easter was March, April, May, June, July, August. Oh my gosh, I'm totally freaking out. September, October. 6 months worth of filth. Done in probably about 5 minutes. So I hope that helps you. I love the Envirocloth. Great product. I like it with the cleaning paste. Please follow this on Facebook. Share it with your friends. I would love to solve their dilemmas because it's just exciting. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.